Slow down, look, and learn. Enjoy the wonder and awe of the natural world. The real voyage of discovery consists not in seeking new landscapes, but in having new eyes. You don't have to go far. Everything is important. Everything is interesting. I am camping under an old oak tree. Simply awesome. Its leaves were beautiful, its fruit abundant, and on it was food for all. Under it, the wild animals found shelter, and the birds lived in its branches. From it, every creature was fed. Plant leaves are amazing factories that sustain all animal life on Earth. Leaf, flat, green, working, producing, synthesizing, sustaining all animal life. Photoautotroph. A special thank you to Elisa Fletcher, artist and Texas master naturalist who inspired me to keep a mixed media journal, including photography, sketches, nature notes, poems, and stories.